Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar advance overnight soon came to a halt after the greenback recaptured its bullish charm. The spot hit a high of 76.44 before retreating, and you can see here from the downtrend it still holds relatively firm, and now with the resistance lowered from 76.80.90 to 76.50.70. From the rejection, I do expect to see further tests towards the upside foul and still give an opportunity to shorten the market, as I'll be looking towards 75.75 as the initial target and then back to the recent lows of 75.25.35. The overnight advance for Euro soon came into some trouble after looking above the 119.55. The cap still remains firm at 120.10.35 from the rejection, and also to note that the US dollar index did rebound off the 92.55 support. And what may have inspired the move is the fact that the market's waiting now for Fed Jerome Powell, who was selected by Donald Trump as the next Fed chairman, is about to give testimony to the Senate Banking Committee later today. So with the dollar story slightly bullish again, does suggest that we may have seen a rejection in the euro. Overall, I still like to see the technical implications a little bit to the negative side to support my view. However, a break beneath this level that was capping the euro that now comes in support at 118.45.60, a break there would reinstate the downside to 116.90. Until we get that break, we should not discount any upside attempts in the next few hours, maybe 12, but should still provide good opportunity to shorten the euro now that we've seen a rejection. Well, the dollar yen case sold off to a low of 110.88 overnight, right in front of the support at 110.80.90. Overall, I do expect to see a further down challenge until we get the technicals turning, but there is some divergence here, so we may have hit a base. We do need to see a break of 111.65.80 to reinstate the upside, so about 114 level. Until we get that break, then we should not discount further challenges towards this support. While the sterling looked above the resistance around 133.5 and soon come into trouble once it got closer towards the 134.10.15, which is likely to cap now. I like the technicals as they're now starting to shape up more to a bearish case, and we should see further downside tests, but like the euro, we still have to get a confirmation from the 132.60 break. If so, then we should see a further move to the downside and look back towards the 131 region. The impressive rally in gold overnight, over $12, now looks towards that resistance, which was challenged at 99. That was the high overnight. And as it caps, the market locks in a range today of 88 to 99. I still expect to see further strength to the upside. Now, the gold price did leap to a 1-month high after reports that North Korea looks to another missile test. So that did give the market a bit of a jitter. Overall, I feel the market could actually get to the highs around 1,310 if we see a break of 99. Any pullback today should find support either from 88 or a base now established from 84. And it turns out that the oil market is struggling to get any advances since the break over 58. And from the fall overnight could give further implications to the downside. So the market looking now from a technical point with some bearish divergence there could see a move back towards the support that now comes in at 56.90 and then 56.30 with the uptrend now seen at 54.70. Quite a way, but still we can get there if we get a sharp or a rapid fall. So do keep an eye on that. The RSI is breaking down also. So that wraps up today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you have an excellent day ahead.